Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka Pynbha ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhata mi pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Umindirang ba gajala Conrad ke sangma. Ringkat ke jasan ralang jung sembut mindirang ba president dan sang. Baru menteri ke sarkar ba polling do. Kin thopru ke deputy commissioner jong ke East Khasihas kong RM korba. Baru CM ke hima upa em aina manix em lemak ke menteri. Haka ka khandai truk Mang arajar pausan. Ulit jurep ya ke Ïewduh ke belong ke way ni ke kat khai. Ke behe tam haka nong ba Shillong. Kenang ban ngotho hadukat no kinong shong di kia kendu jing e hakani kayo ke badang hap hapo ke jing kemi jong ke hima melim dala dehi umindirang ba ole jingo ya ke basa de jur basa de dok kha ke basa do ba kiu artet shakli yo ban pej ke jilong jiman jong ke Ïewduh hak jinga kram ke lat bathai ko bor umindirang ba ore tho ba ka sarkar kladap Mang Pisa Klur hak phase 1 bat menta ke kenti kan Mang Pisa sa ka Klur hak phase 2 Dago bu hakmat deka thong ban Shna hikitunum hasilinter ke Ïewduh khanang ban yada kinong de nong thet naga jing sho uslap bat kasngi ba komjuru ban Shna Pynbha hikinala ba ban thap ba hiki pipe be bu jing ma hikilet ka wan jing nong sho yo ba kinong thet nong pet.
Purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired and it has been made into stone footpath. We have to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all that progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Ïewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, you know, their livelihoods depend on Ïewduh market area directly and indirectly, and therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we've come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL and all the other related departments are all here, and slowly and steadily we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also, so we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Ïewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Ïewduh market. So the farmers market area, they have requested that they have been functioning without light for all this time, and they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that we don't need special sanction or anything, so we can do those immediately. In 1 or 2 areas they suggested that the space is too small, so they wanted an extra floor to be made. So those suggestions have been noted down. In some areas they've suggested that the way the the work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side, because water is a big issue, so on and so forth. So there was very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we have noted down everything, and we realized that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward. No, the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase, because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and ducking of the pipes. So, but third phase we will take. No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducking of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So they will not be needed.
Of the audience, especially these Khasi Jantia people. Menta kasngi ka bas utanat kolong ba hapok yelam joi chief minister ngilala ya ka banwan hakani ka jaka hakani ka Ïewduh ka yo ka ba paunap tam jong ka jela jongi jong ka ri jong ka janri jongi barok kwe ka ba deiru ka yo niam ka yo rukom bat ka ba deiru ka yo ka ba bat ya ka riti ka justur ha ka ba barok di Pynbha jong ka janri jong ka jela jongi kia don benta hakani ka yo bat daki pau nem ngani tu ipi kam don kanu kabangin la ban pen internet ban penbit ban penbiang ke jingko ke jingba jong kan kayo tenrai hapok jelam jong UCM ba Conrad sangma minta basgi agaba ngarung ya but lang bat I kunju ru iba poleng do ibadai minister jong ba tourism department ila but rengkat lem bat ni rengkat ru bat ipaim ka tim jong ipaim ke menteri barok jong hima melen bat hakaju apot the officers ng department ba repair ibadai nadu kaliang jong Leit nakaliang jong ka nakaliang ka municipal nakaliang jong ka PLUD dia dan betalang bat ka urban affairs ha kanikasgi ka bamta hakabang ilayo la cibun ke ban ya slok ban ya pelujung waktu bat ki Pynbha no song yo bat ki nong wan yo apo kanika yo ba jong ka Ïewduh ka ban don nam ka don burom nadu ka poru men barin majak te menta kasni ICM daladehi ilayo sngaw ilayo ru ibijang ay jumut na kibabon ba kinong song yo na kinong wan yo kumaong pi bat ka sngotanat kolong ba ka face ka ban nengkong Klur ka ba sarkar kala ay da ka banta ban beautify ban penbit ban pendiam ni kana yo ngila adet banta ka face 1 ka face ka ba ar pade ka Hasan Klur ha ka ba la ay sanction kerpang da banta kana yo bidang bun ki kam ki bidang sa ka ban penbit pendiam ya kaya kayen ka lenti ka singkin kamtam ka jingya utu pai ubang iyo I kalau ka jingthot ka bakraw te menta kana ka face ka ba ar nakaliang job ka sarkar kala simkia ha ka bang insas dang no sen ya ka ban penbit pendiam ya kana kayo ba away bat ka face ka balay hadin ka jingwan juni yo I ka babun ka jingdon kam bat kata kolong bale se ngin Shna ki kenja rooftop da ka menta kini kinong song yo kidang don ki jaka ki bidang don ka space ban le maha ban penbit pendiam ya kaniru nilai slok nilai keren hakaba nakaliang jok kahima ban nakaliang jok ka sarkar kinyap syong lang kinya prepare susu ya kita ki working plan ke babit ka biang kenang bangin nang penjana susu ya kani ka Ïewduh ka balong ka yo ka papau naptam jong ka jela megla jongi barokuli susu menta kasni haka jinga pet ya kani ka yo iru ya kitu ki yo bilang ki bakal like kam don kam bit kan biang haka bau siem la ai ya ka jing kular kamat kitu ki nong song yo baro bau chen yin sa install ya kani ka Leit haka ba haka meet ka yong lene haka dum haka jing slam ka ba mot kinyo ban yo I ya ka jingya ki jinga de ki jerte ka bit ka biang ba je kani ngin sale chen hati ni ki kindir sini ki ban jong ICM ila airu kan order ka kertang na kamenta ka municipal na makadon kani katangki kani syakle yo ya kaba kini kipai dia ni ke ya kipai digi hajar teli digi po hajar teli ke ya kan ni rukan don keri alignment ka bakapang kindon ki benta ki bangin penrung sapo jonganala kindon ki benta ka bangin le re alignment ka bangin ra no ya kini kipai kat kum ka jingbit jingbiang ka bakin le na lingga engineer jong ka municipal board ke kita ki de ki benta ka sni ICM di pulut por labun kentang akaban ya sien bani kendu batin nong song yau song han bat ka sarkar ka sim serious kan kam ban agreement sken ba kan log de jimutoy ya ki Pynbha ki bajuan ki baju injan kan ka Ïewduh bat ka to poru kan log ka burom ka kraw ya kari ka jaj riu jongi baro.
So they're basically under the normative allotment that is given to every state. So every state is supposed to put projects up. So we have put up the project of Ïewduh under NEC scheme, and certain amount of that is coming through NEC, and some part state government will be funding. And in the future, for the larger structures, again different sources will be tapped. We've always believed in that, and whether from center or from state, the objective is to get the work completed. So we will do whatever it takes in a phase-wise manner to ensure that the overall infrastructure here improves. So there are two parts. Number one, already 6 crores work is going on. So that has already started, and you can see in different locations the footpaths have been changed, stone has been put there, and that work is continuing. The second phase, which is the close to 15 crores, about 14 plus, close to 15 crores, which we expect that we will be able to tender out very soon, and I hope that maybe in a couple of months we can expect some work to begin, because the rains and all we may not be able to do it full swing, but yeah, it won't be too long. It will be very, very soon. Number 3, we may not be able to expand the narrow lanes because obviously shops are there. We don't want to disturb the livelihood of the people immediately. So therefore, first thing we're doing is that we are trying to use the space in a better manner, and hence the pipes are a major concern. They are blocking the way, or they're taking up half the road or half the footpath. If the pipes go in, if proper drainage is created, the existing footpath also will be broadened and the utility will increase. So that's really what the objective is, and that's what this project is all about. And as I said, in the future, we do expect that we'll put up more better infrastructure. We will see how we can maybe beautify the different buildings and improve the infrastructure, and that will be part of the master plan that we have.